to Sam David TV. This is today's program again, coming to you live from Sam David. We are going to look at herbal direction. Herbal direction. Herbal directions. Herbal directions. What is herbal direction? Herbal direction no su yeden. Herbal direction no su yeden. Herbal direction no su yeden. For example, would the help me no kikabo mo a ma result be? Anu na me pese yen hwe mu sisi a yen discuss it. Nti wo oba me ma wakwa aba pa oba me ma wakwa aba obi obeba bia no on share obi obeba on share mame ye hu se nkofo betumi abasu ana on share mame obi obeba bia on share mame. First of all, I want to teach something on this platform. Personally, idea be or platform. Idea no your friend no sugar daddy ever. Sugar daddy. Sugar daddy. Then I sugar daddy. Sugar daddy ya ubia. Money ne share. Ana sugar mommy. Okay, sugar daddy, sugar mommy. Sugar mommy and a sugar daddy ye ubia. Muni ni sha. Wa ye dia upema. Wa to bill or tia bill. Wo dan sika. Wa tia se school ni kra o tia ni school fees mano. Dia upe oto dia ni mo, oto kama, oto fie ma. Ani na friend no sugar daddy and a sugar mommy no. Na ya understanding ni say ebimu enyisi ebimu enti na ye frɛ nipa wanyisi ni nuane say either sugar daddy and a sugar man enti na ye frɛ no sugar daddy and a sugar mommy no but sa nipa ne there is able to do or financial sound, he is strong financially. Ebidie oba owokunu owoyire ma osape that girl no another lady no meba me just spell bi we are say you kunu ko betumi ayama no ayewu kunu kra obetumi ana wo yiri kra obetumi ayama no debe na wo hia nipa no picture wo hia nipa no picture wo hia 3 green candles tie nipa so that wo hia mistake wo hia 3 green candles. Oh here fresh bay leaf, any rosemary, any green pen, and I want here oil be a friend of money oil. Money oil. Well, who need money oil? Don't worry. Ubenya ubepe olive oil in place of money oil. No, yeah. Procedure 1. I was saying nipa na who dealing with upesa who yenu na sikabia obisa no famo dia obisa na was saying who date of birth. I was saying who date of birth. Enti ni paper ni chino obetro paper and it's on the picture nature no ubetron the day any date of birth and I wusu paper nature no ubetro the same who date of birth Any wooding over throw on it. Underline it. Natural wish. 7 wish per. I wish you give me money for car. I wish you give me money for house. I wish you give me money for rent. Blah 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 blah. 7 wish. We are fold the paper from one corner to another. From this corner to another. Fold the paper that way. A finger where your friend index finger. Would the best see paper now what fold anything thing. As some now what wish now what you go to 7 wish now. Ubesaka. So this index finger has a power. Ubesaka. Okaria. You take fresh bay leaf, fresh rosemary leaf, and place it on top. Olive oil and amani oil, you splash it on it. You get a bowl that you put it in. Then my catcher will say green candle 3. Who light a green candle now? Who the bayet is a triangle. Manina Shiba form. A Shiba form a Ochina saw another green candle for 7 days. We are paper no picture no ball as soon over 2. And if an over 2. Fafu nefreno. Catching the say honey. And sugar man sugar that you may per se. He will act accordingly for you. Me chair add your bottom bar or more sissy or more chair. And take you back online you. And then you are on your coin. Comfort. Or see good evening, daddy, good evening. Or see I see you, daddy, thank you. Or see good, comfort, or see good, coswet blessing, greeting, that is my daddy, Mr. Fiagber. If you see hello, that long time, hope all is well. Long time, everything is well. By God's grace, everything well. I hope you're also doing very well. I thank God. It is my prayer and hope that all that you are in need of this life will come to, and one day we shall meet face to face. Oh, see, sorry, I'm late. Yeah, I just started. Don't worry. Comfort to say, great one, daddy. Comfort or Klabi, okay. It's not in the air. Okay, can we share it for me? We are going to Muunti Bibia say over to me abisa question. Nama chiro. Ehia pa why? Nama chiro. We are going to the next one. The next one by truth spell. When you be a Juma be yera. Or say in the fire. What is it come or be? Or see one farmer no. I dance in one who per se a dear BNP the truth should reveal. You got an MPA. And now we really call Bonte who per se MPA or not as I can't show and I won't channel. And now Kunu who per se won't channel and now on Casanca. The conscience Hano or the conscience Hano. And ye. And now what you my for who per se the truth shall remain all the same no. And only. Taking that same way, my catcher will say, when you be a Juma, who per se, Mount Chowntro, Okunu Yidity or per se, or Mount Chowntro, Ubanumu, per se, Mobile Chowntro, for paper, catcher or banner say, on true, dear memo, open handwriting, Okunusu, na handwriting. Obia press or better on the handwriting, Unyani handwriting. It's a bag and I would shikashemo and shapona. So one letter, Fashamo, and no. A boss so by a 3 months con on this honey panel, what chow and drop who call best of or Saka. Nakuma, the conscience will worry the person. Pa. Okay. Let me go on to this one direction. Today is Herbal direction. Herbal direction. What are the things you need? You need glass jar. Yeah, shitona, yeah, glass jar, no. And then we hear date the answer now would be a dabia. We hear date the FN wasing moon and a full moon. This March full moon will fall on 28. January was 28. March the full moon wasing moon was January 28. February folly 27. March May 28. April, May 26. Sana was always a month in Nani, the full moon. So we are soon Juma was always a sa. Ain't it this month, the March, the 28, and I wait in a way, am an ye. When you do it any other, the Enya Juma. Share the message for me. For Mr. Sosi, good evening, Prophet Sam David, thank you. Good evening, my man. Thank you. That is Elder Ellen. Yeah. For Mr. Sosi, I hope you are going blessed. You are going blessed us today. You are going to bless us today. Thank you. Thank you. Great. God bless you. You are too much. Thank you. That is Elder. Wow. Juju. Good evening, my daddy. Judith has come online. Anything for court case? Oh, wow. You are my favorite, you know. Don't worry, maybe come to cool. Hello. Well, you never, but you me program you me your life this year, and I will frame you. And we are sending you a team cow, mammy, you why? Yo, me that's it. Oh, you me hammer. Oh, UK, Madame for back also no. Madame for back na enya easy enya agro share the message for me. Court case me the beba I'm there for you. Don't worry, no shaking. You were quite who are attacking court case, but the secret me say who call ya enya baako yewe say a 5 million. Send a bear, ube free. We are back what fell you pet. Mpachoti myself. I will shoot it up. Don't worry. Collins also doctor. Good evening. Papa Africa, you do all. Thank you. God bless you. Ochina akonche din bi wo ha. Ampaya ebedwa sampaya ebedwa min dadaw kra sa wo Ghana wan ba de wo na waye ho we de abrotifo we de me na me so me sa adua sikadua no enti wo de mepe ne se wo de boye keke kakra wo bepe no boye keke. Hello, good evening, prophet. Aha. Apombo Korea Kasadi Kakao El. Aha. Oh, mi friend wa nye boni. Just say mi friend wa I will say what's the preparation towards Sunday, because a day after tomorrow. Now ya share say ye be sikadia. What's the preparation like, and then what's the atmosphere going to be like? Wow. Making enough money. Yes. Yeah. Onji Brenombra. Oh, já sei para Oh, and Yagro. Oh, and Bruna didn't chess. Let me see. Miracle morning. Now, prophet. Yeah, odi for bibro promo muchaka sa bankofo kwa anye you. Na den na kire se we dia eyesumpo. Yo. My Lord. Get Sikatia Payetu. Nyame besane afisuro aba fom. Messi. Yeah. A job no beyeshi. Unya baby tina. May I say prophet Nyamin Shapa. Nyamin Shop. Nyamin Shop. Prophet Ochina about me at 4 o'clock. We be saying ko baby. Ubeba hana ye kopo kwase aba. All right. Into my crowd on 4 o'clock Ochina why? May I ko baby. Bye. Nipa na watene tene friend no prophet ima asofo baka oye djuma wa ha ofi ha no mo na die ebesi wa ha no mo no die ebesi wa ha no mo no ebebru adwene nti aseso men dadao yenko message ba ku mienu so Mr. Paul Tobento say, I am right here, Daddy. Thank you. I'll see watching you live. Thank you. I'll see no worries, Dad. Thank you. Collins, I'll see, Doc, I want the medicine that if your wife pass beside you to another man, the Bernice may stuck inside her human. Mr. Collins, we are bad. We are due. Oh, I will. Oba onti asamunasi onti asam a woman that will disobey onu na obehu awo ho ba odaroma we dey me dey to ho ahaban bi wo eye ba ko pe mi fa mixi ade bi. Oh my God. Wa Obama oyiri muni oyiri wo ho Obama misi bema woti ase so san Obama na aye ti se me nsase kiti untumi nya dwuma bia no mesrew Sunday we oh the ebedi ne ti no ba me chiche we be free ube kokko yisi man kasa meji wosika dabi dia ube nante aba ha keke na be hia no me chiche amankofo ho na dade na me ya ha ban no so apie se we mu na uyama unya powder wo mu a wudi yesa na ye we me ya apie ama wo ho ansa na ma be kire wo dia obeba na hia na Sunday we dia ochinachi Sunday we ba dia sika dua ye dua wo ha ye di hani ba cow milk ye di ba coins dodo wo betumi flower pot any scent leaf ye dua ma wo dia coffee me be so me nsa na me dia dua on Sunday ba ho na obehu dia ye ka no prophetic sword, prophetic stool, prophetic pierce, prophetic your friend Pumana Moses using a one a may yama be or mehu. The best will have a yagro. A yagro. Now, your friend or friend ye now or the media main casa too much. You see, I mean a pa and casa. I said, please, dog, I want the medicine seriously. Oh, okay, no problem. No problem. You're going to get it. No problem. The truth spell, truth herbal spell. What do you need? You need a glass jar. 2, you need a date. This March, you can only do it 28th of this month. And son, I bet you are Juma. April 27th. And son, I bet you are Juma. You read the Watson more. You get 7 pins. 7 pins. Pin in the wallpaper, good board, you know, so you get 7. A tino should be white and you're red. A tino should be white. 20 Uber this month at 27 for no. Now what's chini agu glass mo. 7 pin no what they are in China now they are 2 for 24 hours answer now by using and yes I deal with any juma. Court case bisisu adia bisisu nipa no person obeka no kore and no be yaman na we do ho a obeka na no matsam answer na obeka yi oyiri wo bisa no sa bibia sia na o si there bi meti say we ya obeka no kore answer na ni beba ni so sa na hukunu so ye na obeka no kore answer na ni beba ni so oba bia woti ho ibia on no kore ka we ye man obeka no kore answer na ni beba ni so jumaye fo bi o mo ye juma obeka no kore ale is a general obia obeka no kore. I say what do you need? Glass jar. There is shit woman and your plastic one. You have to read the date. January 28, February 27. I came. Ubaya this month no. Unto me and there. Unto me and Altina. This is 28th of this month. April no so I thought 26 so. My young cousin. My child saw to no son obey no. Would the pin no be put it within 24 hours and send away. Good. We hear purple candle and pen. Purple candle, purple pen or marker. We hear no. We hear sugar. Now procedure. How do you do it? 1. Procedure. Nipa we was someone who the date of birth and son about you. Now on your paper, kitty way. I mean, when you're A4 say, don't cut it with scissors. Use your hand and yes, I know. You just cut the middle of it, middle part of it. Mumfa message about sir. Question back open na me wo anu na court case no. Mumfa message ba enye za me pompe me na me call no. Bra call be or see daddy good evening sir. Abubakar Nyamba or see doc I want the medicine that okay Mira. Abubakar ba okay like seriously yeah seriously they don't do that. Will you do the same to yourself? Debbie, Abubakar, Debbie. Oh, yes, man, Kasa. If you're truthful, you don't get afraid, man. Abubakar, who cry me, Michelle husband, I may be a man. What? Michelle, I may be a man. Who never off Fabiruba, who the ever journalist, Robert, Chapter, Yakoya operation or hospital. What? But I said this, your son. From Crack Love You for Africa. Right one. Work at paper into this one. You know the name of the person, the first name, and then the middle name, and then the last name, date of birth. Who need Nipana date of birth? Any idea? Any Juma. Nipana date of birth. Who any Juma? Which row we are? Now what your petition? No. The person catch you now what you was here. And that's a say henceforth. Abubakar, you dare Abubakar, you don't lie to me. Abubakar, you always tell me the truth. Now what you I know the your position. It means I know the Adiana see it, but we yes say nip and on ye there. One child drop. Who we are. Rub it in your palm to attract some kind of energy into it. Rub it into your palm with your intention. Uya glass jano be fasten sugar no pour the sugar on it. Enough sugar. Uya the sugar na. Uya your friend say corn, sweet corn, make a sweet corn a bro ye de se jasu. Ama ya nua. Ah, yeah, the sugar can be. I know, Gabi, never come. Okay. Then, we hear cinnamon powder, so be kakra akahu. We hear egg, the yellow yolk, no. Would you add the account at the last? Would you hear who we are? I catch us over for 7 p.m. Add their war salt, this one they are 2 for the day. Well, a tibay of white, we hear no their war yoke now. A war jar no so content mission no so. No their one. Abubakar, Michelle said, you only tell me the truth. This one only 7 wish. What are you full from? Abubakar. Michelle say anytime you lie to me, your conscience should worry you. Pa Abubakar, Michelle say you say oh and answer nipa not can trust what they are Ubeka. What asu? When then if you are a Muslim, you say Allah help me. If you say a Christian, Jesus, whatever religion that you belong to, whatever religion that that you belong. Hey, Auntie Anastasia, Yakasache, even oh, John. Since you are so cramming your program soon, now friend you. Patch on my name. Who call Facebook or who be live no program. Bring your message. Take your message coming. Obviously, please, you asked me to call you in the evening, but I was not able to call that. I will call tomorrow. Yeah, call tomorrow. Abubakar is laughing, sir. Sister Equiafri was it that? Can you use corn in a tin? Corn, yes, but you have to cook it. You cook it a bean weir. Now you're softer. Now with the sugar, I'm mixing with jano soup. Also now you're the dead and hair and you can use it. All right. Then you seal the cup. Cover the jar. Cover the jar. Ubenya tin light candle. Your friend with tin light candle. Now you kitty big. Ubenya 7 as all round. And Ubema now you're very powerful. Okay, look at this something. Keep it in your room. It will work, but it will not be effective. There obetra on draw, ochina obedu so, and there obetra on draw, ochina obedu so. So the right thing is bury it. The cap no bury it. Unless onya obi a onanti was ase we so, o tu owiem and na obetra on. So onanti was ase we so there, one try on draw ja. The better so the begin a man or man. On try on draw ja. I am telling you. One son I brought you a buy. One with cinnamon. One son I kick a book. One with the to me yet. But would you Bruno what the audio? Some David no. Don't go and bury it outside for Debbie. The flower garden be a old fee and a flower pot be a good place to be. Hey, you know, sir. I am moving on, man. This is Herbal Direction. Maybe I should have wanted. Linda Ousua, I am new here. Please shout out to Linda for me. Shout out to Linda Ousua for me. Tell her to be watching all the time. Shout out to Linda for me. Linda, you're welcome. This is Prophet Dr. Sam David, the founder and the presiding bishop of Solution Center and Herbal Church, located at Sam Junction, Sam, Sam Junction, on the Nsawam Road in Accra. I teach about the herb, physical and the spiritual, and I teach issues concerning the spiritual, and you be at home and you do it. Things that goes beyond the reasonable doubt or if it has blown out of proportion or the magnitude of the problem cannot be imagined by you, you bring it to the judge himself. You bring it to the barrister himself, Prophet Dr. Sam David, the Papa Africa himself, so that I sit on the case and I judge it for you by using of a herb. By the use of a herb. If you believe herb, you are the right place. But if you don't, then you are the wrong place, man. Thank you. Equiafri, busy dad. Okay. You are welcome. Yes, people are welcoming. And as girl say, good evening, Prophet. Hope the family is doing good. Yes. May God richly bless you. Thank you. Bless you too. I will see you on Sunday. Hey! Yeah. Toby, yo. Me chow. Mama me crab last Wednesday. Me chow. Toby the ebe kosuwa. Sika the ebe me chow pa. We the bet ya kasam. Asama kosuwa Wednesday nya grow. Sunday ebe mpro adwene ti asesu. Me and Kasa saw the prophetic sword. I am here watching with you. Okay, thank you. Justice Embassy, what can I do to stop bleeding from my tooth? Oh, bleeding from your tooth, your gum. Okay, no problem. I'll get you that. Last time it's you. That's why you have to follow me. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Me were online, you me try this here. Oh, they won't share me one. Me or Facebook Live is here. Different, yo. Yanko, yeah, the amateur that will be beside, but your move and munchen why. And Ellen will say, good evening, my man. God bless you for the good work. Thank you, Elder. I salute you. Collins, hello, Daddy. My wife. Oh. Look, there is. You don't need that one. Say, Ebe Kim. I believe say, Ipevi no Ipega. Nugwase kiti wa ayesi kesiye. Okay. Ababama kayo kakeke. Ampa yeda so wasi. Amfane hu na so esia efane hu. Enti ube ya dia me be kire ne sese a the friend of sex drive. Woman will drop your benu, but she'll be attracted to you more than any other person. Me be kire. I'm moving to that place. Enti ma me wi message. Na ye man why? Nobody a dance here. Linda will say, okay, Daddy, I will visit you one day. Thank you. Not one day. Who are Ghana there visiting me? Why? Alright, nice one. Let's move on. Maybe truth one. Who a person be just ask. Until you be a sending in mama. What is? Okay. You have set drive towards you. Wait. Men koyama obi yiri obi kuno because onja would that. She said, she said, you are here, baby. Yama hukono, Yama wiri. Na ubema, umpese, ube tina wiri hu. Wako pe or babi. Ah, umpesa ube wano. Uja dana there. Obano, Yama no wati. Ono na eba yo enye hu na wo frɛ no yema no ope chat yiri ni ba abetena wo na obaye wo hwade asembe no wonya yiri atena hu men kofa oba bia onu tu na nya na die dia me kye no amoye de enti ba ma mu hwɛ yi oba mu so mu hwɛ yi amoye de eye krika ya entina gidie so de bi tie mi me wadi a wuya ayagidie we engineer gidie su wuye na so bon pa ese ma ni nyadwuma ba yadwuma me na me kire so ukoye ma obi asusu mu ansa we wukura oda su ka o okay Mr. Call is very powerful indeed. Thank you. You know, Daddy, I am having back pain, please. Oh, the back pain. Have you used cassava on your back? Onion on your back. Ma obinfa onion chichi spinal cord the mouth. One check or chichi we are. One thing I want to furniture me right side. One for another one chichi or we are on for two me right. I bet or why. Anti-African, what about false allegation? Can you do it with the phone? Yes. Yes. Say of false allegation. And Caribbean. We are named Pierre. Oh, I can't correct answer. And I didn't use the term. I tell you now with Yabano. False allegation. Why? And you're calling me when you are going to Casanya Manabu. Why? Nana Kwame Nyako say good evening, sir. Good evening. Please share the message for me. Share the message for me. Share it for me. Let it reach people. Always when we close, I see few people sharing it. Sex drive. Oba. Debia wukunu wu be man na wo be ka ni person nya de ni. Oba de dabia ni wo be ka say oh honey in that year mean I don't me come who by man na debia pupa yemano na sisi onu mfra o edo ni come oba no so sa ba man debia okobonti juma say yemano o juma mukura break time or the drop speed no beba asa no be come back I'm not get shame now who name up of our baby ye man who be jai wo yiri ede wo ba who be jai wo fie ko kase kra wa fie o tie mi ye who name about we who ko share na wo yama one I'm taking my time to brief it but the amechira no me pesa wonya no in a good way. Do it for your husband, do it your wife. And you sex drive. You don't give anything to the person to drink their bida. We man obey attracted to you in a way say a bebru or jini with tears yesu. Now who could be how? Manin koso. You were baby your friend. Oh, go for first. Hello. Pacho me was show so me here Facebook live this year. Me we are why. You are online this year. Share the message for me. Share it for me. Linda said that the place should the person throw it back or my back. No, Nipana or Yamano. Or not too funny back. Why? Esther now Ajay, okay. Oh yeah, too. Debbie now say good evening, prophets. Thank you, good evening. Asma Afo Doc, you are too much. Thank you, God bless you. Your favorite Pamagram. Aya Habain. Pamagram. You patch your tap your Google watching. Obenya. And you're not Haban in seed in a mepe. Pamagram seeds. Because self drive no so. Uyama upunu pe waprano. I busy. 1 month grandpa money nanda. A year man on a share. How many times I'm over that week? Or who pe na the other year say. Or young or did it to so like yes. What did it? Or bano so sa. Pamagram seed. Baku 7. Nyano 2. Nya red candle, red candle, candle red ejinama odo. Ade we ube ya yenua Friday, nya red candle. Baku 7. She upea o market neto candle na. Eye kitty our plate bi mu kitty. Your friend team like anu na mepe. Red one, no, I'm a pet. A shakunko, you kunko, no, Nesha, say, a red ana. So, what you put the end, a red, 7. Pamagram seed, 7. 17. Red, tin light, red candle. Nepens you water. Nepe red underwear. Obanda we no red one ibi. Obanda we red one ibi. We oba dia washe ama wasi enu no bayi. Manka se fabra udi ba meya mo ba manka se fabra mi nyema o. Neka se ebia bibisi bibi ebi yewo ube hu senchire ni ede free mother. My uncle proceed also. And then I get it. Messages keep on coming. Linda also said thanks, Daddy. Thank you. Sex drive, yes. I said, hey, ha, yes, Linda, yes. Assam, Baba baby. South Africa, can you plan out of it? Can you plan? Oh. And like I didn't get plain. out of faith. I didn't get that point well. But say good, okay. Procedure 1. Procedure 1. Light the 17 light candle. Light the 17 light candle. Light it round. Nepe glass ayenu biawo. Preferably no glass no wahana ewo ase be bia obetumi aso. Never see middle of the 7 light 10 light candle red one. Never see. Fetch water into the glass half. Fetch water into the glass half. Once the red candle start to burn, the pomegranate seed 7. Drop it inside. Pa, 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 pa. Drop all the 7 inside. Carry your red pants. Put it inside the water. Hold the glass now. Command it. Make a wish. Wish number 1, also glass. Asimasie. When only for a day there. Uhube chichi. One friend me a dear Uhube chichi. Sir, many one die for a day Uhube chichi. One do your wish. Wish ring na can commanding. Allow the candle to burn down completely. Go and get small containers. Fetch the water into the small container. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the ice chest. Wait, by any juma, she sent a better juma. I have the fruits in my kitchen. Wow! 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 Thank you. The seed in here. The seed in here. The seed in here. The seed in here. Booster prayer, good work, do. Thank you. Booster prayer, I think we are new. As my efforts, Dr. Sam, do you have a spiritual teacher? Spiritual teacher? Yes, I have. I have. The Sunsumna Echirama dear no. That is my spiritual teacher. Thank you. Okay. Keep it there. So, Frau say, or Benumun Sua Sanso no di ka odi to one. And Yamina do the Yamin show. And Yamina Mayamo. So, baby, come man. Fabi Kaka, come man. Say a Janica, Fabica Humano. Ayensa, Fakaka Humano. The Ayan is a Catrabe cop ne well, you know. The day I wouldn't missing so an baby when you pet or bed to or bed flow. When you back, but that's straight and on the spot, you know. But now I won't want to one, but I see Sarko you. Hello. Bacho, Facebook Live in my new year. Nana Kwame Nyako say, Papa, please, any spell for intelligence, awareness, or sacrifice? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe a sex drive, no person be a bisa. I am moving forward. Where the engineer, I am moving forward. Sina who call Sam. Somebody Castro be to Numbisa. Or see what shop I'll buy on and or the can of a shake got. This is beauty direction. Beauty direction. We are fell. My castle who are fell. But we are soon direction. We are a pure munamu. Now one gyro on your ship go pia. You pia him down so. A big a beauty. Me bet you know. Make such a pregnancy, spiritual direction. I won't know me drobia, but you conceive. Me bet you tamuchuku. Where and yes, I mean, I to one of me. I'm teaching about the combination. Would you have we boom, we na nesi tamuchuku and copy ya kosu. Somebody Lalati was a prophet, don't go there. Ghanaian ladies go kill us. Okay. Obi semenjai ho. Enti mami flippy ho no. Osi enye samu mami kokra. Obi semenjai ho. Obi semenjai ho. Obi semenjai ho. Mina me call. Nina make on. Baby, I made you know a house for sale, car for sale, product for sale, big thing, land for sale, and they are not buying it for you. They are not buying it for you. What do you do? What do you do? House and they don't. What do you do? We have different directions. Bakuna me bakuna me babere chira ma awo. Bechira bakuna. Auntie Nana Ike say super. Chire we me call Ramos was hey. Why wouldn't him dada? Calling you say I was Risa. Thank God it's Friday night. Hey, and I can see. Happy birthday, thank God it's Friday night too. Baby Messi, house for sale, land for sale, What did he do? Get a picture of the house. Get a picture of the house. Get it behind. Write your petition. Dino, Anasaseno, how much do you want to sell it? Write the amount. Dates men up for Rosemary no fast for 2 FNOs ne face. Never 3 belly pet fire no triangle back menua woli and a back is a triangle. Never 3 coins. 3 coins. Country now 3 coins. Never see bailiff in time and to be a triangle. Share bailiff ni back ni a triangle. Coins ni back ni and also a triangle. I want in term. Number 3 yellow tin light. Yellow candle. But small one. Number 3. Number corn starch. Corn starch. Morning. Yadi plena. Yadi poster. Time. Never money oil, only money oil crop the olive fire. Never cinnamon, never salt. Michra Osana Obayano. Macho Sana Obey face no dada. Adiakasa we are no evil force the Ababe Munti. Salt no, our book as Yanum. Would it be around? Send about no other energy will enter and spoil it for you. Sesame Chelsea for picture not a name in the dada. Never Rosemary no na so ba ukaya misi tro. Month no send our best won't turn nina. Constant no sprinkling it on it. anoint olive oil no and money oil no fast sprinkle was so points no so me chiro baby a odi be see dada cinnamon no so fast sprinkle was so say call yellow candle no light the yellow candle on top of the mixture, on top of the mixture. Now speak your intention. Yeah, what show picture no back no. Speak it. Do it like you are invoking something. You are invoking something. You see, you invoking, you chami adiebi. Do it like that. But before process winning now, to Florida water, fanchini good so sa Florida water no so. Never splinky ufini na. If you know better who turn to fast splinky or bad energy goes before we do ube your week. Who we are. The grass beer, air of fair, never chassis, and now push, and my will be a date now what Tron. So will be before that date and your Juma. But after what of you'll be able to Emma will be a week. I could see a bush upon date in the empire. Ubeto few. Ubeto few. Message ben and bassy message ben Nana Ekia or say, hey daddy, yes. And I miss you, yes, I miss you too, you know. Comfort is clubbing for me. Just as the girl chopped my money and she don't want to come. What do I do? Ah, ha 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 ha. Mama show. Wait till my bachelor. Think of me 24/7. Come to me desperate. Come to me begging. Come to me crying. Put your mother son the con. Also, no what train by force aba. Go there come to go. Neighbor, maybe I end there. The baba. Nana, daddy, please teach me. I won't sell my land. Oh, I don't know much as to see you. Go back, one by one. Why? I then I will be tossed. Say, oh, and I will be wrong. Mention your secret back to it. And I do with your money. Me power chop 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 your money. Your money. Just go and get it for shit. Maybe I will them. Wait there, if I will send as is a can to perfect. Nanya the corner you. Maybe the other one send a day of it. Can perfect Nanya the corner you. Red penny. The yard the entity. When this is dream spell, dreaming of you. Uku awusi no obi adwane won yema no. Obesu die or you besu die sa na obeba. Ebi ami yeba. Patricia idea. One was on my year with me. And yet with a cross that times no multiplication with. Okay. The idea made the bachelor. Use red pen only. We matro me yiredi and a matronti. We say the bottom one no me yiri the rose into matro rose the no bottom no. Second one, dream of me, dream of me, dream of me, dream of me. So the actual say no is down part is partner no, the top no ayawudin. The actual say no, dream of me, and no. Now, fold nipa na person to na no fold ni di e kosi fifi no ube fold ni di we from the name you yes me be sure here now one ya me say which you are good. Sanipa na akọ opi perfume bi a enu na oba use. Wonim so perfume bi pa ana wonim perfume ope a perfume a enwo ye bola so na oba tu ba emuamu ano enwo sa seta nefa tu bola mo ana nefa tu emuamu ano no akasa nko mo ano emuamu ano dia waye network interruption. What I'm saying is that over here papers no honorable Etobento will see our upon anti over chassis at draw line. It's a cross 2 times. Our paper no. Now one side you know as you on over your partner no need. The top now would be dream be side and I'll be for the linear, but I'll for the with partner. And look at a man draw also. Bad network. Oh, the network is very bad. Now, if you have any question, ask. My time is up. Ask unti bibiase ask on it. Beauty dear no. Make another time. Make another time. Make another time. Ask your question and let's go on. Ask question and let's go on. And I say don't forget to put salt too into the pocket or back of your partner. It protects him or her against people who want to come into your marital or your relationship. It protects him or her. Yeah. There are people who are contributing to the project of the church. I want to use this opportunity to tell you to also do your small donation into the project. And there are people on this platform that I am very, very honored with. They are very, very helpful for this church as far as this church is concerned. They are helping me to move the mission, the vision of my God more. They are helping me. And that God that called me protect them very well. Those who are not having now, so God should help them get it. I think the network too is very bad. Yeah, well done, Papa Africa. That is it. Thank you. God bless you. I think tomorrow too I'll come. I will try and come. If people didn't come so many like that, I will try and come. We've started a herbal school here. Those who are around Saturday 9 o'clock. I am teaching people here, spiritual and physical here. Pastors are here. Ordinary people are here. Church members are here. Malams, fetish priests, whoever. As far as we are human beings, I accept you. God accepts everybody because the air, everybody breathes the air. He didn't say you are this Muslim, don't breathe. You are fetish priest, don't breathe. No. He includes everyone. So I am here. My church is organized every Wednesdays and then Sundays. Atmosphere of miracle. powerful one. Wednesday is let my enemies sleep in disgrace. Sunday is atmosphere of prayer. I would wish you all come and witness the power of God. This Sunday, I am coming live. Last direction happened, I came with my prophetic garment and something happened. Those who were here saw it. Sunday, I am also coming with the prophetic garment, but not that one, different sewing, different garment with different dimension. This time I am coming with my, your friend is a rod or staff, rod or staff, the Moses one. He showed it to the sea and the sea divided. I am bringing that one out this Sunday. Because yes, I am bringing it out. And I am bringing the prophetic sword together with the prophetic stool. Your friend is saying, I am bringing it together. And your life will never be the same. This vision were to come 8 years ago, but God was building me, that when you come out, nobody stops you. You move like a train, and you bust everything that stands on your way. Then the time has come and has started. And you are blessed by listening to me. Because the things I teach is all from the heaven, the Creator. It is the people rather who get it from me to do and to teach. Pastors are learning a lot. God bless you. I'm not going to speak enough. Nana Kose, I will come to you when I get back to Ghana. Okay, you are an outside guy. Good. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you. Okay, nice one. So the house and the store can be rent and sell. So yes, do the direction for me, okay? Let's Tennessee Kennedy. Why? Nana Ikria Upe Shepa. You like sharing, but share this one for me. Why? Share this program for me. God will bless you. Thank you. God bless everybody. We meet tomorrow. Same time. Stay blessed. Upper hand. Cover you. Sam David, God, visit you in a dream tonight and give you the sweetest dream. A dream that will benefit your soul. A dream that will benefit your flesh. And a dream that will empower you. A dream that will solve your problem from the very day that you dream about Sam David God. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.